Hi everyone, hope you and your family stay safe and healthy. I hope you got your groceries too. I haven't gone out for 2 weeks now. Today we're going to make a very simple stir-fried noodles with vegetables. Sometimes less is more. This is so simple but yet so delicious. Let me show you the ingredients. Today I'm going to use dry noodles. This is one of my favorite noodles. Look like that. So one piece is about 2 ounces, and this is also for vegan. And I'm going to use 2 pieces, which will be 4 ounces, and we have 3 cloves of garlic and half of a medium-sized onion. You can also use the red onions. And I have few cabbage leaves. You can use other vegetables like napa cabbage. You can use bok choy or any other vegetables you have. And first we're going to boil the noodles. I already pre-boiled pot of water. Let's add our noodles. You can use udon noodles. You can even use pasta, any noodles you have. Because these days, we cannot get everything we want, right? So we'll let this cook about 6 to 7 minutes. I want to cook al dente. About 6 minutes, our noodles almost ready. Just add some cold water. So this way the noodles not so sticky and they will be al dente. And I'm going to drain the noodles and rinse with the cold water. Yeah, I just rinsed with cold water. Now we are ready to stir fry. I'm heating up the wok to high. Add some vegetable oil. Need to coat the wok so it won't be sticky. Now we add garlic. If you like it spicy, you can even add chili peppers. I'm just keep this light. Now add onions. Cabbage. We'll add some salt to help this to be tender. So this will take a few minutes. After a few minutes, our vegetables are getting tender. Now we add noodles. Add a little bit of oil so they're not sticky. Normally I would add green onions. Unfortunately, I run out of green onions. That's fine. And we'll add some soy sauce. You can also add oyster sauce to your liking. And just taste quickly. Come on. Awesome. Simple like that. Our noodles ready. I can't wait to eat. Smells so good. Let's have some. I will have some for you guys. Even you don't make it with noodles, you can just make a vegetable dish. Cabbage and the onions. Tastes good. Cabbage and onions, sweet, crunchy. Noodles are done perfectly. So good. Hope you guys enjoying home cooking. Just try to improvise and also try to be creative and try different recipes. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I continue to eat. I need more. Oops. So crunchy. You can even add bell peppers. I love it. It's simple. Isn't simplicity is the best? Please try to make it. See you guys next time.